Ms. Ria, I want the progress report of Mr. Amit Shukla and Mr. Anuj Gupta. And also send them in one by one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
May I come in, sir?
Yeah, come in. Yeah, sit.
Thank you, sir.
Amit, right? I was going through progress report and I'm really glad. There are hardly any absentees and you're very disciplined.
Thank you, sir.
But there's one thing. There's no significant contribution that I can see over here.
Sir, I am specialized in my field and I try to completely focus on the work I do.
Okay, so you mean to say that you're not creative?
No, sir, I am creative. But I completely focus on the work I do.
Creative, in the set format, like focus on the work I do. Okay, miss, you can leave now.
Thank you, sir.
So may I come in?
Yeah, come in. Okay, Anuj, yeah, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
I got to know that you're not going along well with your colleagues.
Sir, actually they are not going well along with me.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was going through progress report actually. So your contribution when the last time the policies were implemented was really good. So do you have any other idea by which we can increase the profits of the organization even more?
Yes, sir. So if we adopt better inventory management practices, we could increase our profits even more.
Okay, that's a nice idea. Okay, make sure that you go along well with your colleagues. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Okay, you can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Amit is disciplined, diligent, but he's not creative. He's not able to think out of the box. Whereas I know just creative, but he's not disciplined. What to do?
Crucial decision. You must keep in mind the pros and cons of whatever decision you make.
Well, I think you should get rid of Amit. He's boring.
Amit works hard. You cannot remove him just because he's boring.
The second thing is, the main role of HR lies at this stage only. How to convert these people, both the people. The first one, to make a creative people, and the other one, to move to people-oriented people, taking a team around. So we generally say, don't try to change a person. The God has created everybody a perfect personality. Try to change the music of a place, music of a place of work. So ultimately, the training need is required for both the people, especially stimulus training. One is where you can have a stimulus. This gentleman has to go for a training of getting along with people, a teamwork, and the second one to be creative. So the both can be had by a good method of training, especially the experiential learning. I mean games. Both can be done. Both are good people.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yeah, come in. Oh, Mr. Sinha, yeah, please sit. Good morning, good morning. So, Mr. Sinha, any problem?
Yes, sir. I came here to tell you that I wish to resign.
Resign? I mean, why?
Sir, I've got a better opportunity from another company.
Actually, I did talk to the top management and you can get an increment over here only.
Yes, sir, but if I join another organization, I will be able to learn new things.
Yes, you are right, but you're a very valuable asset to organization. And I must say, please reconsider your decision.
Yes, sir, but if you help me with this resignation letter.
Okay, Mr. Sinha, I'm taking this, but still I would say, please think over it once again and we can meet after 2 days.
Okay, sir, if you insist, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So, what do you think? I think you need a change.
Don't listen to him. Just think about retaining the employees.
Fair enough. Then increase his salary. Well, I wonder when was the last time you got an increment?
Just think before increasing his salary. The other employees may ask for an increment too.
Actually, I wonder when was the last time you would actually help me instead of confusing me even more. Please, please leave.
No one insults me like that, okay?
Please leave. How should I deal with this? Actually, ma'am, if you could help me with this.
I did not start actually. I was on call.
The scene was like he's a very valuable asset to our organization, the employee, and he came here and saying that I want to resign because I got a better package in another company. So how can we retain such employees?
See, first of all, you have to ask from the employee only that from which company he received the offer letter. You have to, first of all ask the company name, and after that you have to ask them how much package they have given. Right? Then you have to discuss with your managers also, with the senior managers also, that he's a very good employee of our company and he's very capable, he's doing very well, so you can retain this candidate.
Okay.
So you have to, provide good package, more than that or same package only, right? With good bonus also.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You also learn something new.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have, you can also offer some different projects so that he can learn something new and you can retain it.
Thank you, sir.
One more thing.
You would like to add something? I can say that real life problems are very common. Maybe we are facing the same problem. Retaining an employee at last is very difficult. Because as a HR, you have to sense who are going to resign in the near future. For that you require a proper networking. कितने बंदे मेरे रिलायंस के ऑफिस में आज बैठे हैं इंटरव्यू देने के लिए. So that networking you are supposed to do. If these kind of situations come up, nobody will tell you where he is going. Hardly anyone will share you that I am going to a particular company. Until unless you are enjoying that kind of relationship with that particular person, you will not return. In that situation, this is the best part, what best you can do and what best you can offer to that particular person, but you cannot go beyond the policies. If you don't have the policy that you cannot increase the salary mid of the year, you cannot. Meanwhile, what you can do, you can just assure him, because whenever there is an opportunity or whenever there is a position for you, as per your capability, I'll push you or I'll give you the chance to prove yourself. Even like we have, you can say, huge areas of opportunities in ABG, so you can go to different units of ABG as well. Like every organization has a different opportunities at different levels. So you can offer in that particular position, you can apply, but with the proper system. Don't give a false claim. Boss position आएगी तेरे को senior manager बना, cannot. Again, the same situation, quality. Nobody can compromise on quality. You have to prove yourself. Then, if you can, it's better you will just compare both the organization. The organization is giving, and the organization is joining. So you can give a better picture. You can tell again. You have to tell him what all benefits you are getting in this organization, what all benefits you are getting in that organization. He is having a particular kind of rapport in this organization. He has a credibility of say for 10 years or 2 years or 3 years. He has to generate that capability in next 2 or 3 years. So based on different, you can say points, you can retain. And most of the cases, employee will listen.
To you. He says he also focused on the stagnancy part. The culture of the organization is demotivating him so as to delegate his responsibilities. And that is having an adverse impact on his performance. So introspection is required on the policies of the company. What is making him or her demotivating. If he resigns and if you accept, the repercussions are that others may follow. And this will lead to a chain reaction where you might lose good people. So change management or change in the work culture is also essential. Looking at the surroundings under what existing conditions that people are performing their duties. That has to be looked at, or else the end result will be disastrous.
Sir,
Yeah.
so there is an employee, Raju, standing outside the door. He wants to complain about the supervisor.
Send him in.
Okay, sir.
Sir ji, good morning.
Good morning. What happened?
Sir ji, I want to complain about my supervisor.
Yeah, I know that, but what complaint?
Sir, he behaves very rudely. If any employee asks for a leave, he is called in a very bad manner. So, this is the case, employer were a bit resistant to you.
Okay. So please, can you give it in a written application?
Sir, I have already got a written application, here it is.
Okay.
Sir, if the supervisor did not change, we would not work.
No need to take any such action. I will talk to him and will take necessary action. Okay? You can leave. Thank you. Oh my God. If I talk to the supervisor, he may become more ignorant towards Raju and other employees. And if I don't look into the situation, the problem may escalate. Oh.
What is that? No, what is that?
A letter, a complaint letter?
I mean, you are the senior HR manager. Tomorrow, any guy can come in and complain. Yes, you are the HR manager. Therefore, you have to solve the problem of each and every employee. I would suggest just call the supervisor and tell him about this guy. No way. The supervisor may turn out to be more ignorant toward Raju and other employees too. Then you suggest what he can do? I think some other confused mind is calling me. I gotta go.
And actually, what are you waiting for here? Please. Thank you. Sir, can you please help me with the situation? Yes.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Lakta Chawla from JK Civil, working in the capacity of Deputy Manager Corporate HR. In this situation, see, as he said that you being the HR manager, first thing is that you need to have an open door policy. You need to entertain each and every situation, and then immediately you cannot react also. I mean, just on the one complaint, you cannot react. You need to introspect. You need to understand it. You need to go to the shop floor and understand what is it exactly. Is it the same problem which is being faced by some other persons also, or it is something which is just once, or it is in the routine? Then, based on that, you need to understand, and then you need to take a call, right? I mean, in a very short point, I'm just mentioning that you need to be calculative enough. You need to understand what is it exactly. You need to take a call accordingly, right?
Thank you.
Oh, Mr. Mehta, please sit.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mr. Mehta, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
So,
Sir, I'm here to talk about the new technology introduced.
Okay.
You really think it will work?
I think it will surely work. It's totally aligned with the organization's goal.
Sir, and what about me?
What about you, Aman?
Sir, I'm already 56. It's hard for me to adapt to this new technology now.
It's very necessary, Mr. Mehta. You have to.
No, I don't think so, sir. Employees of my age working here should adapt to any new technology when a couple of years of a service life are left.
My problem is, I have to send a compliance report to the top management.
So kindly ask the say the top management that we will work as the prevalent practice. Kindly say the young ones to learn the same.
Actually, Mr. Mehta, we wanted our experienced employees to adapt to this and set an example for others.
I told you what I feel, sir. I'm late for me, so that's your wish.
But, Mr. Mehta, wait, please, thank you, please leave. Please, thank you. Now, how should I motivate him? What should I do? Sir, please, if you can help me with this. Sir.
Talking about change, talking about technology. This is a company policy or an organization policy which percolates from the top to bottom. And when it comes as a rule, everybody has to comply with it. Non-compliance has its own results. You need to take a rational call on this, because if the middle management people are unable to cope up with such situations, it will have an adverse impact on the downline. And then if you are positively looking for a change, which is always going to be for betterment, then I feel that person should be kept away from such responsibilities, and the downline people should be motivated by a newcomer who will adapt to the changes.
मैं हिंदी में ही इसका जवाब देना बेहतर समझूंगा। जैसे सभी लोग जानते हैं, परिवर्तन शाश्वत प्रक्रिया है। हर जगह हर समय कोई न कोई परिवर्तन होता है और चलता रहता है। और जैसा इस सीन के माध्यम से दिखने में आता है कि जहां भी कहीं, जिसको रिजिडनेस बोलते हैं, ऐसी स्थिति चैलेंज की तरह से स्पेशली HR इंडस्ट्री जरूर आती है। और इसको चेंज करते समय ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट का एक बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है, जहां आप जब भी इस तरह के स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग, कोई इस तरह की चीज जो आप नहीं ला रहे थे, उससे पहले आप अपनी नीड्स भी आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं। आपके पास जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स है वो कितनी कॉम्पिटेबल है इस टेक्नोलॉजी को। अगर इसको एक उदाहरण के माध्यम से समझाऊं तो हम मीटर गेज की छोटी लाइन, जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं, उस पर शताब्दी दौड़ाने की बात नहीं सोच सकते। तो सबसे पहले तो अगर हम ये सोच के आते हैं कि हम अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई चीज इस तरह की प्लान कर रहे हैं जहां इससे इस तरह के रिजल्ट्स हमें चाहिए, तो उससे पहले डेफिनेटली जो हमारे पास मानव संसाधन है उसको कितना हम अपने ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट के माध्यम से ट्रेनिंग नीड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद कितना हम ट्रेन कर सकते हैं, किसको हम मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं। और डेफिनेटली जो रैशनल कॉल मेरे भाई ने थी वो भी एक आवश्यक प्रक्रिया है, लेकिन वो जहां तक मैं समझता हूँ एक अंतिम माध्यम है। उससे पहले जहां तक संभव है हम ट्रेनिंग और डेवलपमेंट के माध्यम से अपने लोगों को मोटिवेट करते हुए, इन्वॉल्व करते हुए उस प्रोसेस में, ये जरूरी है। हर आदमी में अपना स्किल है, वो जरूरी है कि उसका जरूरी नहीं कि जो लीडरशिप रोल में जो आदमी है उसको पेपर पे जो डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट चाहिए वो हर एक आदमी जितने हैं आपके पास उनसे वही 0 रिजल्ट उसी तरह के मिले जैसा आपने चाहा है। बट ये डेफिनेटली ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट के माध्यम से जितना संभव है उतना हम उनसे ले सकते हैं। और डेफिनेटली रैशनल कॉल आखिरी चीज है जो लेनी पड़ती है और लेनी चाहिए भी। ये मेरा समझ।
एक चीज ऐड करना है, अगेन सॉरी, practical situation I had faced, I had with one company. The chairman of a company called me at Mumbai with the same situation. And the good part was chairman, his son, and his next kid. One was from Indian company, one was from, he studied abroad. And he said me, my production head, the main person in the industry, he is at around 58. And now he is not changing. He is not adopting the new techniques. And it was a Colony Glass company, which is US based. So So मैंने but the word we used to call for old people is Babuji. जो old chairmen हैं, especially Marwadi. So मैंने Babuji he called me at home for this position, head of HR. मैं Babuji आप क्या करें उसका? Babuji आप chronic जाते हैं? कहते yes मैं US का 4-5 राउंड लेता हूँ साल में. Their technology is changing so fast, and I want to adopt that technology to gain up the production and speed and all. मैंने कहा बाबूजी आप वो जो प्रोडक्शन रेट की बात करते हैं उसको कितनी बार कॉलनी के ले जाते हैं? सर डर जाता है, वो भी एक बार जाता है. मैंने कहा आपने थॉट जो चेंज का आपके दिमाग में आया कितने साल बाद आया, कितने विजिट के बाद आया? He said कि I have paid by 12 visits to Chronic Glass Company, and this gentleman has paid 2 visits. तो मैंने कहा बाबूजी उसको रखिए और कम से कम उसको अपने साथ 6 विजिट और ले जाइए, आप देखिएगा वो अपने आप चेंज हो जाएगा. द बॉटम लाइन, द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज सीनियर लोगों में जो चेंजेस आता है एक एज के बाद, ट्रेनिंग हमारी क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, एक्सपोजर्स होने चाहिए. रियल सिचुएशन ट्रेनिंग्स पे आदमी करता है. हम लोग कहते हैं चार में सीइंग इज बिलीविंग. नोबडी विल बिलीव यू. Once he will see, he will try to change. Adaptability of change. This is that.